here to present to you my campaign about digital addiction and bullying. Digital device social issue, referring to the differing amount of information between those who have to access to the internet and those who do not have access. There are a variety of arguments regarding why closing the digital divide is important. The major arguments are the following. First, economic quality. Second, social mobility. Third, democracy. Fourth, economic growth. Second recording, let's talk about addiction. First, on the line, alcoholism. Internet addiction, gambling, food addiction, and sex addiction. On the last part, we talk about bullying. Bullying including physical bullying, verbal bullying, cyberbullying, sexual bullying, and relational aggression. I'm here speaking to stop abusing digital divide, addiction to social media, and bullying and follow human beings. Citizens, we better spend our time to focus the important that helps our life. Think before you, etc. Be respectful and use everything correctly.